Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy sausage roll recipe or piggies in a blanket, and it's going to be very easy and the outcome is going to be so good. So I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients which you're going to find in the description box together with some of my other videos. Yeah, so let's begin. Also, if you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love cooking and showing you easy and amazing recipes. So we are going to get started by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to my big bowl, and then I'm going to add in lukewarm water, not hot. So I'm going to add in water to my bowl, and then next I'm going to add in my yeast. So I'm going to let this sit for around 5 minutes so that the yeast can bloom. My yeast is ready, so I'm going to add in some salt, and then I'm going to add in cooking oil, add in my flour, and then I'm going to use my mixer and mix everything until combined. So I'm going to let my mixer mix for around 5 to 7 minutes, or until you notice that the dough is smooth. If you're not using a mixer, or if you have a stand mixer, actually that is the best. But if you're not using your mixer and you are kneading the dough by hand, you make sure that you knead for around 5 to 10 minutes. After everything is well mixed, bring the speed to high and let the mixer mix for around 7 minutes. After the dough is nice and stretchy, my dough is ready, so I'm going to let me start off by scraping the excess. Keep this aside, and then I'm going to scrape my dough into one big ball, just like that. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of oil. Spread the oil in the bowl. Once done, I'm going to cover my bowl with a kitchen towel and let the dough rest for around 1 to 2 hours until doubled up in size. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to punch in, and then I'm going to keep my bowl aside and sprinkle a little bit of flour. Transfer my dough on my countertop. Work on the dough a little bit. Just like that. And then I'm going to tuck in. Once done, I'm going to divide my dough in half and then into quarters. So I have about 8 pieces of dough, small pieces. So I'm going to work on my dough a little bit. Make sure your work surface is well dusted with flour. Wrap the dough around my sausage, and then I'm going to place on my baking tray, and then I'm going to do the rest. I'm done wrapping the sausage with the dough. So what you're going to do, you're going to cover this and let this sit for around 20 minutes. While waiting, you're going to preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So it's been around 20 minutes and I'm ready to pop my sausage rolls in the oven. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to brush my sausage with milk. This is going to add an extra golden brown color. And then I'm going to spread some poppy seeds on top. This is optional. Also, you can spread some sesame seeds on top. And then I'm going to bake my rolls for about 10 to 20 minutes or until you notice a golden brown color on top, and your sausage rolls will be ready. I'm going to spread some melted butter on my buns. This is going to make my sausage rolls look even more catchy. After 15 minutes, my sausage rolls or piggies in a blanket are ready and they're looking so amazing. I love the golden brown color on top, and I love how the poppy seeds are looking so good on my sausage rolls. So I hope you try out this amazing recipe at home and they will turn out absolutely amazing and delicious.